Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. Today we're going to show you how you can make a TikTok Lite video with pictures. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open your TikTok Lite application. And once you have met with your home page or your For You page, you need to focus on the bottom bar of your screen where you'll see a plus sign. And you will click on the plus sign. Now, in order to make a TikTok Lite video with pictures, you need to first upload the pictures. So if you focus just at the right of your recording button, you'll see a upload icon. You need to click on the upload icon, and then you'll see your videos and your pictures popping up. And now you need to go to your photos and select the photos that you wish to share. And now that you have selected your pictures that you wish to turn to videos, you need to click on the next button. And as you can see, the pictures will come in a screen slide view, but this will be turned into a TikTok video. If you want to add sound, you can also choose to add sound at the bottom icon of the screen where you can see the sounds button. And you can select a sound of your choice. You can also select the filters and put effects on your videos or your photo video, and your video is now prepared. You can click on next, and then you can post your video directly. And just like that, you have made a TikTok Lite video with pictures. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.